Welcome back to Next Feed. It's Nix here, ready to dive into another episode with all of you amazing listeners. Today, I want to kick things off with a personal story that really embodies the spirit of our podcast team, embracing the unexpected. Imagine this. It's just a random content seeing the engagement made by one of the fan base of SB19. Shout out to Egrees. Kung hindi dahil sa'yo, hindi ko makikilala tong mga taong kasama ko ngayon. Kung napanood niyo na yung episode ng Dagas, malalaman ninyo yung story paano kami nabuo. Nagsimula lang to sa parang invitation to show up with something you can bring and give it to people. I met new people. Buong akala ko after that day na makilala ko sila, tapos na. But eventually, we continued chatting until magkaroon kami ng same interest sa mga ginagawa namin sa buhay at sa entertainment industry na rin. Ang dami naming pinagdaanan para magkaroon ng first ever event. Ang daming plano, ang daming ideas, and everyone, our first or major problem is budget. Pero kung di namin yun itutuloy, paano kami magsisimula? Wala kaming nasisimulan. Until now, mahirap pa rin eh. Pero nagawa na nga namin nung una, 'di ba? Why not sundan natin ulit hanggang mag-succeed? Consistent lang. Try lang ng try. Tapos ngayon, imagine ninyo, kaka-celebrate lang namin ng first anniversary. Akalain mo ba na from simple Twitter post, magkakaroon ako ng org para mag-serve sa mga taong gusto ng ganap? In-expect ko ba 'to na mangyari? No. But one thing is for sure, I embrace the unexpected. And I want this to be successful, not just for me, not just with the organization, but for everyone. And that's exactly what we're all about here next week, embracing the randomness, sharing stories, and finding laughter in the unexpected moments life throws our way. So grab your headphones, settle in, and let's dive into today's episode together. Thank you so much for tuning in to Next Feed. Until next time, keep embracing the randomness, my friends. Nix signing off.